Today, we're going to learn more about the windshield wipers in your new Lexus. And with quickly changing weather in South Florida, like those crazy afternoon showers that literally come out of nowhere, the windshield wipers could be one of the most important features on your Lexus. Now, like in most cars, the lever on the right of your steering wheel is going to control the windshield wipers. But with Lexus, you have 5 unique controls for your wipers. So with the rain coming down, you're going to simply push the lever down 1 notch, and the wipers will either turn on at an intermediate speed, or if available, this will turn on the rain-sensing mode, which is exactly as it sounds. The moment your Lexus detects any rain, it will automatically start your wipers. Who knew wipers could be so cool? If you push the lever down to the 2nd notch, you'll be able to control the speed of the wipers by twisting the lever up towards you. Plus, no matter the setting, the wipers will automatically speed up as your Lexus accelerates. Once you push the lever down to the 3rd notch, your wipers will be on a slower speed. But the rain is really coming down now, so you're going to want to push that lever down to its lowest notch. Now, the wipers are moving at their fastest speed. Now, only if the traffic on I-95 moved this fast in the rain. And just like that, the rain has stopped, and we move that lever back into its original position. Wait, is that a smudge on the windshield? To remove smudges, bugs, or anything else on your windshield, you can pull back the lever and water will be squirted on your windshield, and your wipers will go back and forth a few times. Now, keep in mind, it is never recommended that you turn on your wipers when the windshield is dry. Much better. And that covers the windshield wipers on your Lexus vehicle from JM Lexus. For more information, please contact your sales manager, visit our website, refer to the owner's manual, or come visit us at JM Lexus. Thank you for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button so you can stay up to date.